trapping out. Nigga free Snoop today. Know that you heard about it. I'm in your street, nigga. You don't want beef, nigga. I seen see the reaper, nigga. I know your people, nigga. Cooking up cocaine. About the new move, same. You know I had to block the brains. Little nigga, I block your brains. You know I'm a real trap, nigga. You not like Slatt, nigga. Walk with a dap, nigga. I ain't no rap, nigga. You know we go Slatt, wait. Shoot at your ass on the highway. Yeah, the Draco came with a 30. Yeah, little nigga, bloody murder. Southside nigga for life. You want a brick, gotta pay the price. Yeah, little mama, you fine. Just might make it my wife. A nigga seen so much white. This shit might hurt your eyes. This shit might change your life. So you just better think twice. I pour a deuce today. I got phone sway. Nigga be poppin' that flavor. Everything I do be major. Might sign to my label. Nigga plugged in like cable. Put diamonds on our ankles. Everything we do expensive. I pop a bean them up. I had to turn up. Nigga took so many losses. This shit wasn't adding up. It ain't no serving me. I'm cooking my shit.